I recently joined to this website where they're giving money for free and you can start receiving money wherever you are in the world. But I want to take you inside my account so you can see the proof before you go and join for yourself on this website. Let's see this proof on how much people are receiving every single day, how much people are receiving every single month. So this is the proof on how much people are receiving on this platform. And our first user on this platform has received $240 and our second user has received $215. As you can see, there are too many people making decent amount of money: $80, $85, $19, $20. And in this video I'm going to show you how to join on this website and how much you can start earning on this website. It's very easy and simple, and the good thing about this website is that anybody around the world can do this. And the other good thing about this website is that you can receive this money within 48 hours. So just imagine you're just going to do what I'm going to tell you and you can start receiving money within 48 hours, which is very unbelievable. Hey friends, I'm Hans David. I talk about side hustles and how to make money online. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. So how this website works for you to start earning free money on this platform. This website is working with trusted brands around the world for advertisement purpose, and you're just going to get paid by these brands after watching different videos on this website for advertisement purpose. And the good thing about this website, you can have option to choose what kind of videos that you want to watch on this website. There are too many videos on this website. You can watch about sports, entertainment, and lifestyle. After that, these brands are going to pay you through this website. That's the reason for you to earn free money on this website. The different ads will show up when you're watching this video, so that's the reason these brands are paying you just for watching the video, for you to see these different advertisements that will pop up. And the main reason this website says that get money for free is that because you're just going to get paid just by watching videos. You don't have to do any work. Just stay there and watch video and you're just going to earn these points, and this point can be redeemed into cash and you can start making decent amount of money. The more videos you're just going to watch on this website, the more money you're just going to get. And as I showed you before, there are a lot of people who are making up to $300 just by watching videos. So why can't you try this and see how much you're just going to earn just by watching videos on this website? So I'm going to tell you how you can join to this website and how much you can start making on this website and what is the name of this website. So all you have to do is to go to this website, which is called zoombucks.com, and after going to this website you'll be able to join and register. It usually takes like 2 or 3 minutes for you to register on this website, and you are just needed to write your email, your name, gender, and how old are you. After that you'll be able to join to this website. After joining on this website, on your left side you're just going to see this place which is written as watch videos, and you can click there. There is this channel which is called Hideout channel. This channel is allowing you to choose different videos that you want to watch. As I said before, there are videos about sports, entertainment, and lifestyle. So it's up to you what kind of videos that you want to watch on this platform, because there are a ton of videos on this platform. So you have to go ahead and choose this video. The more you keep watching this video, the more you keep earning points, and these points can be redeemed into cash. And I'm going to tell you how much you are just going to earn just after watching different videos on this platform. For you to have more than $1 on this platform, you need to have more than 1,000 points just by watching videos. And as I told you before, the more videos you watch, the more points that you're just going to earn. So it's very easy for you to get at least 1,000 points in a very short time. I've seen a lot of people making more than $10 per day, $20 per day. So that means for you to get more than $80, you just need more than 80,000 points on this platform. So this means that if you have free time, you can just start watching these videos and make at least 8,000 points on this website. That means that you're just going to get more than $80. And the good thing about this website is that you can start to cash out your money just after reaching out only $5 on this platform. So if you have more than 5,000 points, you are able to cash out your money. So this website is really not as a website, because I've seen a lot of websites that many people are watching different videos, but it's really hard to cash out their money. It's really different to this website, because this website is giving you an opportunity to cash out your money within 48 hours, and this is very possible. The other good thing about this website, your money will be sent on your PayPal account. This website is available everywhere in the world. People are making money just by watching videos, and I want to tell you what was my experience after trying on this website. The bad thing is that I really couldn't find a video to watch on this website, so I noticed that not every country is allowed to watch this video, but there are a lot of tasks that are available on this website. If you really cannot find any video to watch on this platform, it's okay. Do not worry, there are a lot of tasks that you can do and you can earn like really money. This website is also giving you opportunity to answer different questions, and you can get paid really money just by answering different questions given on this website. So there are a lot of opportunities for you to earn money on this website. What I want to tell you is that you have to go and join on this website. If you really cannot find any video to watch, you can start answering questions and you can get paid. People are making up to $80, $15 in a single day. And what I showed you on this video is the amount of money people are making in a monthly basis. People are making more than $300 in 1 month. So why can't you go ahead and try this website, see how much people are making on this website? The good thing and what I like about this website, you really don't have to pay for anything. It's really not giving you a hard time to cash out your money. It's very easy to cash out your money. And the other thing about this website is that it's very relaxing and is the easiest way for you to start making money online. I really cannot include this as side hustle because it's really not going to give you like $1,000. This website is going to help you to pay some bills like $200 or $1,500. This is kind of money that you can find on this website. You really don't expect to have a lot of money on this website. You can have just minimum amount of money, but I think this money will help you in one way or another. So I encourage you, do not expect for a lot of money, but you can start making at least $20 a day or $15 a day. It just depends on how many videos you are willing to watch on this website. So this is a trusted website, and before doing this video I had to make sure that people are really making money on this website. So go ahead and try and see how much you are actually going to make on this platform. Thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David and I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much.